Ever tried juggling 6 flaming torches while reciting Shakespeare? That's me managing apps without shortcuts, chaotic, risky, and slightly singed. Imagine a tiny superhero swooping in to save the day. Meet Stream Deck Mini, my productivity sidekick with customizable LCD keys. It turns tedious shortcuts into single-tap magic spells. Zoom meetings, PowerPoint presentations, all controlled with a flick of a finger. Drag, drop, and personalize, setup so easy, even my cat could do it. Multi-action efficiency. It's like having a wizard cast multiple spells at once. Compatible with Mac and PC, it's the Swiss Army knife of tech. Stream Deck Mini, the tiny hero making my digital chaos disappear.